Warning. Warning. The following product may contain nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. Warning. The following product may contain nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. The previous message was brought to you by Mad Vapes of Easley. Warning. The following product may contain nicotine. Nicotine is an addictive chemical. What's going on, y'all? Riley here from Mad Vapes of Easley, coming at you another video today, talking about addictive chemicals. The most addictive of chemicals is a new juice that we just got in, and it is called Treat Factory, excuse me. This one is a jawbreaker flavor, hence the name, Jaw Dropper. I know that we said the following product may contain nicotine. This one does not. This one is a 0 milligram nicotine. They do have some that does contain nicotine. 036 is their nicotine strengths, dosages, or whatever you want to call them. This one right here is actually my favorite juice. I know I say that just about every time that I get on these videos with new juice, but it really is, because every time I try a new juice, they're my new favorite, because there's just so much good stuff coming in these doors. At the Mad Vapes of Easley at 6615B Calhoun Memorial Highway, Easley, South Carolina, 29640. Boom. Anyways, got to drop address. You want to send us some fan mail, want to send us some business, y'all know where we're at. Anyways, great juice. Tastes very similar to Cosmic Fog's Kryptonite, now known as Crip. If you've never had that, it's a tart, fruity flavor, kind of got some melon tones, some raspberry tones. This one tastes very similar, a little bit better though, not quite as bland. I say the Kryptonite's kind of got a bland flavor compared to this one. This one's much more bold, much more flavorful. It's got a little bit more tart to it, which I like a tart juice. My favorites are the lemonades and stuff like that. I really like them. So this one works really well. It's kind of got like a sour kind of jawbreaker taste, which is very good. We are selling these for like $30, same as the rest of them. I think they're like 32 or something like that. But they're very good, 100 mils. That's pretty much all I can say about it. If you've never tried this juice, we do suggest you come in and give it a toke. It's one of the better ones out right now. Air Factory, these guys are making really good stuff. So come in here and check it out. So warning, that product may contain nicotine. Warning, that product may contain nicotine. So just let you know, it may contain nicotine, and that is an addictive chemical. Warning. Anyways, if you guys got any comments, questions, or concerns about addictive chemicals like nicotine, leave them in the comment section below. We do appreciate watching the video. Boy.